Alright, so there you have it. It's installed. As you can see, this is actually locked. I'm going to unlock it, turn it, make sure it's turning fine. Alright, so we're good. We're just going to secure this part right here. 2 screws. Or nails, whatever. Screws, really. I'll grab my screwdriver. That's it. As you can see, it's really pretty simple. There's nothing to it. Really, really simple. So, if you need your privacy in your own house, you want people in and out of your stuff. You know, some people can be nosy sometimes, especially some of these roommates. So, you know, I just got it from Walmart. Cost me about $13 after tax. So, not a big deal there. And we have this towel. Alright, I don't know if it's focusing quite. Alright, so we're going to insert those in this slot. Making sure we got it good. Alright, that's the part where I'm going to actually have to pause it again and use my hands, because I got to line it up in the hole right here. You know, you just got to line it up and just tighten it, and that's it, you know, pretty much. So we're going to get back for the final shot once we get it all together. Alright guys.